How's it going, everybody? On this video, I just want to talk about how to make money in video production. Just like everybody else, I started very basic, one camera, went to film school and worked my way up. And so here we are in an event today and we're doing some video interviews. And so this are some of the gear that I own. And it's been a collection throughout the years. And so anybody can pretty much shoot videos, even with the basic tools as far as like camera, and work your tools up, and through that work your networks up and work your potentials and learn as much as you can. And networking is one of the most key essentials in building a video production, and even how to make money off video. And so we are here today. Actually, here's Adrian right here.
Hey, what's happening?
Hey, what's up, Adrian?
I'm Adrian Boycell. Thanks, guys. Yeah, if you're not using video to grow your business, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Video is at its peak that it has been in the last decade. You can use your cell phone, you can use a fancy camera if you want, but you can start simple just by using your cell phone. The technology in these phones now is just phenomenal. There's no reason why you should be out there generating content, creating stuff on YouTube. There are tons of people. I create content on YouTube. I'm helping graphic designers, fellow creatives, entrepreneurs, just like this guy. And so if you're watching this video, you definitely need to subscribe to this channel because I know he's going to be giving you some amazing value, just like I am. So definitely use video, start implementing it into your business and watch what happens. It really is an authority building tool. It's a credibility tool. It shows that you are an expert and is really going to help you build a customer base and attract people to you that you really need, the right people. That's the big thing for me. Is I used to go out there and do sales on the phone and door to door and business to business, but YouTube actually allows you to get people and attract a new audience of people who are the right customers for you. So definitely go after it, check it out, utilize YouTube. You won't be disappointed.
So Adrian, I have a question for you. Obviously people are concerned about quality. Does that matter to you as far as what you're trying to get out there and the tools that you need?
Not as much. If you're producing great content, the quality of the video or the quality even of the audio is going to be a little bit more important, I think, than video. You got to have a good crisp audio, and there's cheap ways to do that with the Amazon little lapel mic. You can do that very simply, but I really think that you got to get in there and actually start creating the content and creating value for people, and people are going to find that. And like we were talking about earlier, the longer the content, the better. So if you are an expert, you're really going to be able to cover a lot of your content. Don't be worried about making it too long. Be worried about making it too short. That's what I got for you.
And also another thing, we are here in a conference, and one of the most important things about conferences is networking.
Oh, yeah.
And so building your brand is one way. And I just met Adrian yesterday, and here we are already as far as like talking about videos and content. And so tell them about the importance of like networking and how to network.
Oh man, I mean, through conferences, that has probably been my number one channel of growing my relationships and growing my database of people and really bringing on those high quality people that see something in you because they're out there taking action and making it happen. And that's what you want. You want other people that are action takers, that are willing to go out there and push themselves outside of their comfort zone and actually do something that most other entrepreneurs aren't willing to do.
So I also want to touch up, and in the beginning, you're not going to make a lot of money or probably even not any money at all. And so you're going to have to sacrifice in ways where, you're going to stay hungry for a while, but hungry in ways where you got to just keep hustling.
Yep.
So invest in time, invest in yourself, and get better. And little by little, things will work up. And I myself have been working in this industry for the past 10 years, and I haven't been into a position where I say I totally made it, and I've just been building up my brand in per se. So I've done a lot of big projects, but it's very limited. But I still work on smaller projects and medium size. It's just critical to just keep working, and especially in events like this, I'm networking and potential clients even further.
Yep.
So.
And be willing to serve. I mean, don't go to these events just expecting to be a taker. You want to be a giver. And that's what connected with him and I together is we're both givers. We both just want to add value to each other's lives and genuinely help people. And so when you go to these conferences, especially places like City Summit, everybody here is a giver and they all want to give back. They all want to help people. They want to see people succeed. It's not about just taking and trying to make it about themselves. So definitely when you go to events and you push yourself out of those comfort zones, definitely make sure that you're there to add value to other people's life. Just like you're doing on YouTube. You're here to add value to people. That's the whole reason for creating content. The more value you create, the more people are going to talk about it, the more people are going to see it, the more traction you're going to get. And make sure, like we said, it's not about the quality, it's about the the quantity over quality. Make sure you're producing a ton of content on a regular basis. The more frequent you do it, Google's going to see that, YouTube's going to see that, and they're going to rank you, and you're going to start to see your traction pick up. Because if you're just doing one video a month that's 2 or 3 minutes long, you're going to spend the next 5 years trying to figure out how to get momentum and get subscribers. So you need to be out there producing a ton of content, just like Gary Vee or any of these big guys you see on social media.
Absolutely, and don't mind the shakiness of the camera. I'm holding my my smartphone here, but I'll showcase some more behind the scenes and how the process works as far as what I've done personally, and hopefully I can show you more of the big budget stuff. But hopefully you learned something today, and stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Keep looking up.
Hey, look up Adrian, Boys Hell.
Yeah, Adrian Graphics. You can take Adrian Graphics videos. Check me out.
All right, peace, guys.